Absolutely no research attention, but I don't think there's any prima facie reason to suggest why not, except I think we need to move.
That's a positive development. I think that is prima facie evidence that this president is willing to work across the aisle to get things done.
Then that's usually like a prima facie indicator that it might be an irrational policy.
Because he hears that and it's prima facie.
Yep, that's right.
Yep, what?
It goes.
His impression of Donald Trump, the prima facie case that Trump was making to the people, or was there something that he knew?
Groups suggesting at least prima facie that there are deep-seated similarities.
Who's using an American email account? I don't think that's a prima facie case. He deserves a lawyer either. I understand the fights.
Values that I would say outweigh the prima facie norm that prohibits third parties.
For an institution. Well, I would say a prima facie way to think about the integrity of an institution is to look at what the mission or purpose of an institution.
Facie evidence that American military might alone cannot solve this problem on a sustainable basis.